My name is S. Vashyadana. I am studying 5th standard A section. My school name is Infant Jesus Matriculation School. Title of the project, Best Out of Waste. What is the problem that you are trying to solve? To reduce landfill gas by count shell and air pollution when it is burned. What do you think will happen? The coconut shell will gas landfill and decorate our house. What are the steps you will follow to solve the problem? I will collect the coconut shell, rub the coconut shell and cut the top of coconut and stitch it out. Opposite side, put soil in the coconut shell and plant the plant. You can take as much as you need to do this. Please explain the science logic used to solve the problem. I use the practical of reuse and recycle. Describe the importance of your project to the real world. My project will describe landfill and air pollution caused due to coconut shell. If you plant the plant in the soil, there the coconut shell, it is good for the environment and good for us. Do a lot like this. By growing plant, we can increase oxygen level. Thank you.